Assalamualaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about write the number that comes between. Let's start. 12, 14. 12, 14. Which number is missing? 13. 12, 13, 14. 12, 13, 14. 29, 31. 29, 31. Which number is missing? 30. 30. 29, 30, 31. 29, 30, 31. 17, 19. 17, 19. Which number is missing? 18. 18. 17, 18, 19. 17, 18, 19. 32, 34. 32, 34. Which number is missing? 33. 33. 32, 33, 34. 32, 33, 34. 22, 24. 22, 24. Which number is missing? 23. 23. 22, 23, 24. 22, 23, 24. 34, 36. 34, 36. Which number is missing? 35. 35. 34, 35, 36. 34, 35, 36. Look. Match the following numbers in sequence. What comes after 36? 37. Already match it. And what comes before 38? 37. Already match it. This is same answer after 36 and before 38. What comes after 22? 23. Let's match them. And what comes before 24? 23. Let's match them. This is same answer after 22 and before 24. What comes after 31? 32. Let's match them. And what comes before 33? 32. Let's match them. This is same answer after 31 and before 33. What comes after 38? 39. Let's match them. And what comes before 40? 39. Let's match them. This is same answer after 38 and before 40. I hope you understood this lesson. Respected parents, please help your child to complete this activity. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.